Hello. It's been a while since my last food forest tour video. I've been super busy, especially in my little nursery with propagating plants and saving seeds and getting them your way. And here, by the way, I would love to thank you for all your support, for all the orders. I hope your plants are thriving, your gardens look beautiful. We have autumn now here in the subtropics on the Fraser coast, which means planting time, winter veggies, and fighting with all the weeds as we had lots of rain recently. So yeah, now let's go. And this is what I mean. Everything is growing like crazy. We just recently had over 300 millimeters of rain within only 3 days or so. So you can imagine the food forest looks very inviting, and there is abundance of pretty much everything. Also the weeds. Here the Ceylon Hill gooseberry still producing, and I'm harvesting already for 3 or 4 weeks at least. The fruit is super juicy and sweet. We are enjoying it on ice cream, in smoothies, in cakes. Very yummy. There is a second little bush, also giving us lots of fruit. The citrus trees are full of fruit. My little mandarin tree is no more little anymore. It's actually huge. This one here, this is an orange tree. It's a bit struggling, but this might be only, let's hope it's only temporary. The ruby red grapefruit starting to get some color, and we will have quite a few again. This is my favorite grapefruit, by the way. So basically all the citrus trees are loaded with fruit. I've been asked what are we doing with all the citrus fruit. So mostly juicing, but also friends and family get some, of course, and we really enjoy all the fruit. This is Washington navel. It's starting to get color too, but also got some of a younger green fruit. And on this side here, the little young Maya lemon tree with a few fruit on it, and a huge white cotton bush right behind it. So I have to clean it up actually. the low-cut tree is loaded with flowers, but we are also harvesting the fruit already. Here are some yellow ones. My beautiful soursop got some fruitlets on it, and I really hope this time that I will get some fruit, because the last season there were some fruit on it, but I lost it. And my raised garden beds, I have 2 of them which are already in use after the summer season. So there are some beetroots and also some carrots growing in here, and some cucumbers which are actually doing very well. So mind you, we are in the subtropics, so the autumn is basically our second spring. The other garden beds will be prepared very soon. I have to get into it. And here is our Egyptian spinach, which is going to seeds. That is why I am waiting for it to harvest some fresh seeds. And we also enjoy the leaves, of course, in salads and stir fries and so on. They're really yummy with a slightly nutty flavor, very soft, and the plant loves the summer heat. So yeah, I will put some cabbages in here, so at least 3 raised garden beds will be our cabbage growing spaces, because as if you know me, we love our cabbage. In here I have some Chinese tree lettuces going to seeds as well. That is why I'm still waiting to collect fresh new seeds. And I still have some capsicums, which I'm still not sure what I will do with it, if I leave it here or I will get rid of it. We will see. But yeah, 1, 2, 3. 3 raised garden beds are in use, and the 3 others are waiting to be enriched with aged manure, chicken manure, and also some mulch. And we'll wait for the cabbages, which I already started the seeds. Oh, and here my beautiful 3 years old, or maybe even 4 years old, beautiful giant eggplant. And here with some beautiful fresh eggplants to harvest. We will have it tonight or tomorrow for dinner. Here as well, look at this beauty. They are delicious. They are actually very thin skin and very tiny seeds. Super yummy. And guess what? This one will be for seeds. And here plenty to come. I am basically trimming the plant like maybe twice a year after fruiting, and then the fruits are coming back. And here cows pure my grow bags, which are loaded with sweet potatoes, 4 different varieties, and which we are harvesting basically. Oh, and here is yacon, which I just watered because this poor baby was really dry. But yeah, harvesting the sweet potatoes, also using the plants to propagate new plants. And let's have a quick look here. I want to show you the huge turmeric. Look at this beauty. Have a look at it. It's about 2 meters. That's the Australian native turmeric. And to compare, so here the about 1.8 meters maybe Australian native turmeric, and here about 1 meter high is the traditional, the orange one, the orange turmeric. Did you know that you can use the turmeric leaves for cooking? I'm doing it all the time, especially the younger leaves, the fresher, greener leaves. I'm harvesting like half of the leaf or so. It depends how much we cook at once. And cutting them very tiny and adding delicious flavors to our cooked meals, mostly to stir-fried meals. And before I let you go, I show you my pretty star fruit flowering. Most of the fruit we just had is going to the ducks actually, because it's attacked by the fruit fly. But these flowers tell me that we will have some fruit during our winter time, and winter time means no fruit fly, so I'm really looking forward to the fruit. Right behind the bananas here is my beautiful avocado tree, which has grown unbelievable. It's about 3 meters now and super happy and healthy. I only have it for second year now in the ground, so it really loves this place here. It's actually got a raised area, so it's about maybe 40-50 centimeters higher than the rest of the food forest. That is why it really loves it in here. And if you see all the grasses, which I will never get rid of, we became friends now. But the grasses actually play a very important role in getting new guinea fowls. I won't be able to show you, but we have middle in there somewhere where the dry grasses are. We have a guinea fowl sitting on eggs, and I'm very positive and hopeful that we will get some beautiful little babies. Hope you liked the tour. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment below, and I hopefully see you next time. Don't forget to ask questions if you have any, and also visit my store. Maybe you find something you like. All right, see you. Bye bye.